Hello and welcome to Technique Tuesday Tips. Today we will focus on breaststroke. When swimming breaststroke, it is important that you time the kick and the pull right. A common mistake is to do them at the same time when you're just learning how to swim. But if you get the timing right, you will move much faster. You need to do the initial arms movement first. The legs, meanwhile, are tight and not moving. Then, when you start recovering the arms, the legs start bending. The quicker you do this bending of the knees, the better. The next thing is very important. Shoot your arms forward while you kick fast. Finally, glide with your whole body in a horizontal streamline. You should find your ideal glide length by trial and error. Exaggerate both not gliding and gliding too much, and see what works for you. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. See you there, swim fast!